A collar badge is in the shape of a triangle PQR in which PQ is 12 mm, QPR angle is 60 degree and PR is 12 mm. Using a scale of 1 cm to 1 mm, construct an accurate spill drawing of the collar badge. This collar badge is in the shape of a triangle, so we have to construct triangle PQR. In this triangle, the line PQ is 14 mm and according to scale, it will be 14 cm. So this is line PQ, which is 14 cm long. Angle QPR is 60 degree. This angle QPR, R is somewhere on this line, 60 degree. And the line PR is 12 mm and according to scale, it is 12 cm. PR. So the line from here to this red mark will be 12 cm. And this is point R. And this is the required triangle, which is badge, collar badge. A pin is soldered to the back of the badge at a point X, which is equidistant from PQ, QR and RP. So this point X, which is marked, which is soldered to the back of the badge, this point is equidistant from these three lines. So we will draw a locus one by one. First look at these two lines, PQ and QR. So this X is equidistant from PQ and QR and RP. First look at these two lines. The Q is common. It means that these two lines are intersecting lines and they intersect at point Q. So let's see on the diagram. This is PQ and this is QR. So these two lines are intersecting at Q. And we know from the basic of loci that a locus which is equidistant from two intersecting lines is angle bisector. So the locus will be the angle bisector of the angle Q. So we draw angle bisector of Q. Now I will draw an angle on Q. You can open and draw an arc here. Now join this point Q and these intersecting arc. This is the angle bisector of Q. Now see the next two lines, QR and PR. Here R is common between them. So it is two intersecting line at point R. This is QR and this is PR. Both are intersecting at point R. Now we will draw an angle bisector of R. So this is angle bisector of R. This is angle bisector of R. In the similar way, we can construct an angle bisector of line PR and RP. Here P is common. So we will have to draw the angle bisector of PQ, the two intersecting line PQ and PR. Both are intersecting at point P. The angle bisector of P will also be passed through this point. So it is up to you whether to draw it. It is optional, and that angle bisector will also pass from this point of intersection. So we got this point of intersection. The purpose of drawing these angle bisector is to find this point of intersection. And this point of intersection is X. On the same diagram, draw the locus which represents all the points inside the triangle, which are equidistant from PQ and QR. PQ and QR are two intersecting lines, and these lines intersect at Q because Q is common between them. This is PQ and this is QR. Two intersecting line, and they are intersecting at Q, and the locus of two intersecting line is angle bisector. So this is the required locus which we have already drawn. In the same way, we will draw angle bisector of line QR and PR. QR and PR, they are intersecting at point R. So this is the required locus of these two lines. So mark clearly on your diagram the position of the point X. So this is the point. This is the point, and we have marked it. I have marked it on here X. So this is the point X. Basically, this point X is a point which is equidistant from these three lines. So if any person is over here, its perpendicular distance from this line, and this line, all these three lines will be equal, will be same. So angle bisector, if you draw the angle bisector of a triangle, they meet on one point, and that point is basically, if any person is standing over here, its distance from these three lines, the sides of the triangle will be equal, will be same. And this point is commonly known as incenter of the triangle.